So we've talked about medical, and today I just want to see what other damages can someone expect to face, and how do they keep track of the damages, and what are the steps that you're going to tell them to go through as a game plan after their injury, during their claim, and things like that.
Well, again, great question, because huge element of your claim is your damages, and you certainly should be and entitled to claim everything that you're entitled to, and so you'll be in touch with us, and we will steer you all along the way, including your medical expenses, because consistent with your injuries, you need to monitor even your medical expenses. You don't want to incur medical expenses, for example, beyond the policy limits that are involved. That's not going to do anybody any good. So as you know, and with our ability to get the texting and the text chain and communication going immediately, we will help you monitor even medical expenses. But much beyond medical expenses, you will, and we will help you track things like some things you probably never even thought of. Mileage expenses to and from doctor visits, and
any adjustments your employer may have to make because of your injuries.
Key critical. If you're losing time, losing wages, please track that, and we will help track that. And I get this a lot. People say, well, I had vacation pay, or I had sick pay, or I had this many days off, or I'm on salary, so I really didn't mean anything. No, the law says you're entitled to compensation regardless of what else is in place. Or I have a disability policy, so it paid. No, track that. We will make a claim for all your lost hours, all your lost wages, and even, as we said, to a medical appointment. Usually you lose about a half day of work going to attend the medical appointments. Keep track of that. We will help you. Alert your HR department why you're missing work, always, of course, because it's going to be true related to this collision. Keep track of that. We were talking to a client the other day, and just got into discussion practical ways from the client's perspective of how to track this, and including keeping us posted and sending us everything. This wonderful client, you may recall, Michael, said what she did was have a little envelope or folder that she kept inside her new vehicle, and she would just drop in mileage tab, gas receipts, hospital bills, parking expenses, time off from work, and of course she would forward it to us and keep us posted by text.
And another good way is the note section in your phone, your smartphone.
Absolutely.
You can scan in documents to one same file, and you can put at the top of it injury case. And if you're good with your phone, take a picture of each receipt, take a picture, and keep it on that same document, and just forward everything to us. And that way, anytime you're thinking, oh, I should probably document this, go to your notes section, search for the injury, and add it. If it's something that we don't need, it's better that it's there than if it's not there.
And I will tell you, in these times where insurance companies are so stingy and quite honestly, they're just dishonest about things, Michael, and deny and cut. These, what may be considered little damages, they're important, and they add up. And the loss of use of your vehicle while you have to get it repaired, or you're trying to find a replacement vehicle, keep track of that in the amount of time. And of course, we'll help you with this. But these days, you have to present everything to the insurance company by way of damages to have any shot at getting them to be fair and reasonable with you.